Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a TikTok agency account. It's a quick and easy tutorial, so let's dive right in. To get started, search for TikTok Business and click on the official link. From there, click on Get Started. If you don't have an account yet, choose the Sign Up Now option. Fill in your email, password, and accept the terms. You'll receive a code in your email, so enter that to proceed. In the first step, enter your business center name, usually your business name. Set your time zone, and move on to the next step. Select your business type. If you're creating an agency account, choose the option related to running ads on behalf of clients. Fill in the necessary details, like your YouTube channel link. Provide your country or region, billing address, primary contact, and payment method. Even though tax information is optional, it's advisable to fill it in. Once done, click on Create. Congratulations! You're now in the TikTok Business Center. Keep in mind that your account needs to be reviewed by TikTok, and you'll receive an email with the outcome in a day or two. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to create a TikTok agency account. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.